Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
The main issue what the industry is facing today, that is the tourism industry. I have explained to him, and he has made various calls to the director of tourism, to the secretary tourism, that is Ashok Kumar, and told him to take steps, especially where bookings are concerned. Now we are talking about November, we are talking about December, we are talking about January. All the portals, the online portals, whether it is Make My Trip, whether it is Travel Guru, whether it is Oyo or any other thing, they are not promoting all the hotels of Goa because there are restrictions put by Department of Tourism that only those hotels who are registered with the tourism department can be shown on the portal.
Okay.
Can be sold by the service provider. I have told the Honorable Chief Minister to remove that clause and ease the business, because Make My Trip had 4,800 hotels, guest houses registered in the state of Goa, where any tourist from any part of the world can come and book and come and stay. Now, to stop the leakages in the revenue department of the tourism industry and GST, we have to take measures, not the service provider. Service provider is giving us service, bringing the guest to Goa. I told the Honorable Chief Minister that all those hotels which are selling, we will take the list from the service provider, that is tourism department, and tourism department can directly send it to GST. How many people are registered with you? Whoever is not registered, GST will deal with those people. Baba, you are taking bookings, you are not paying GST. And why they are not registered with the tourism department? So that can come back in line.